Do you need a brand new home that's big enough for your entire family, but close to schools, parks, and all the services you'll need, and is reasonably priced? Stay tuned, because that video is coming right up. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working under the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we take a look at brand new model homes as well as existing inventory all around the Las Vegas Valley, also you don't have to. If this is the first video you're checking out on my channel, I appreciate you stopping by and touring with me. If you really enjoy content like this, I release new stuff every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single week. And on today's video, we went back up to the Northwest Las Vegas Valley to a super convenient location located really close to the freeway, right behind Smith's. Hospital is right there, parks, schools, anything you'll need. It's all right there. This particular model is built by KB Homes. It is the 2114. It is a 2-story home, up to 5 bedrooms, so it's big enough for your entire family. You guys ready to get out there and go check it out? Let's go. And here we are back out in Montecito. We're over here at the landings this time. We're going to take a look at the 2114 model today. It is a 2-story, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Out in the front yard there, you're going to see the pavers. Those are going to be included, as well as the front landscaping. That'll be included as well. You do get to choose your lot, so the lot premium will be different for each one you choose. The base price of this house is $330,990. It's a very affordable 5-bedroom house, possibly one of the most reasonable in the valley. As we come right into the entryway there, I'm sure you notice the nice hallway. Right to the left, you're going to have a bathroom, and the first option's available right here. This particular model is built out with a full bathroom on the bottom floor as well as the bedroom. You have an option for a half bathroom or a 3/4 bathroom or a den. This bedroom and the full bathroom are upgrades, so please keep that in mind. A lot of the stuff through these new homes, you'll be noticing there are a lot of upgrades put in. What KB likes to do is they like to include as few features in their base homes as possible, allowing the consumer to upgrade as they see fit. So the base price is very reasonable. You'll get a fully functional house, but if you want a fully decked out house with all the options and cool stuff, you can definitely do that too. Walking into the main area, I love how they decorated this wall to the left here. I'm actually considering doing that in my living room. It looks really good. You have a really nice sized great room here. One thing I really enjoyed about this house is the functionality of the layout of it. Most simply put, it's easy to walk around this house and get where you need to go quickly. Walking around the back side of the dining room here, we're going to take a peek out the backyard, get a feel for how big the lots are. You have a nice sized backyard, definitely functional. Do some stuff back there, whatever you like. You have an optional covered patio if you'd like to add that on. They will finish the backyard too if you choose to have that upgrade as well. Peeking back over into the kitchen here, this particular one is built out with nice quartz countertops. Really clean looking here, subway tiles on the wall, single panel 30-inch cabinets. Ceilings in this house are about 8 feet. Along with the cabinetry, you have an option to have the cabinets above the refrigerator there. Speaking of the refrigerator, the appliances are going to be Whirlpool appliances in either black or white. You can upgrade to the stainless steel if you choose to. On the island here, you're going to have Moen faucet, a dual basin sink. Head upstairs in just a second. I'm gonna take a peek under the stairs here. You have a really nice storage spot here. A little bit of built-in shelving there. It actually goes way back there and underneath the stairs to the left as well. Once we go upstairs, we're gonna walk straight into the loft area. It's gonna be an optional bedroom. That's basically gonna be the 5th bedroom if you choose to have that there, or 4th bedroom, I guess, if you want the den downstairs. Little linen closet there. That closet across there we'll take a look at here in a little bit. That's basically like an extra storage closet for games or whatnot if you have the loft, or it'll be the walk-in closet in the bedroom option. We're going to walk over and take a look at the master first on this one. Got a nice size master here, about 15 by 15, maybe a little bit smaller, maybe 13 by 13, but either way it's a really nice size bedroom. Sorry for the bad exposure on the camera there. There's some nice wallpaper on the wall there. Goes really well with the decorations in this room. We're going to take a walk over here, take a look in this walk-in closet. One thing you could definitely do in here, even though they include the shelving there, you could upgrade that shelving, even if you want to do it yourself at Lowe's or Home Depot for about $300-400. It's not too bad. Easy project to do. So I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are thinking of this particular model. Now we're going to walk over to the primary bathroom. You got quite a few options in here. It does come with a dual sink vanity and a fiberglass tub. You have an option to have a shower in lieu of the tub. You could choose to do the super bathroom with the separate tub shower. You could also have, as it's built in here, the super sized shower with the seat. There's a couple options for windows, as well as the optional linen closet behind the door here. Now the floors in this home, they did carpet in the downstairs bedroom as well as carpet upstairs. They also did the wood look laminate downstairs, which is an upgrade. You'll get 17 by 17 inch tiles included throughout in the wet areas, which include the entry, the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathrooms. And then the carpet is going to be Shaw carpet with a 5-pound padding. We're going to come down this way. There's the laundry room. You have optional cabinets to be installed up above. It will come with a wire as a standard. There'll be gas hookups for your dryer. Then in the bedrooms here, they're actually pretty fairly well sized. I would say about 11 by 11, 12 by 12 roughly. This particular one has a small walk-in closet. It's a nice feature to have. The molding throughout this house is going to be 3.5 inch molding. You could definitely upgrade that at the design studio if you choose to. The HOA in here is going to be $40 a month. It does include a gate, as well as the landscaping in the common areas and street maintenance. There's the other bedroom. This one has a standard closet. And we're going to go walk over to the last bathroom. This particular one is built out with the single sink and the makeup mirror, and it has a full tub shower. You do have options to do different combinations there. If you'd like, you do a dual vanity or just a shower if you'd like, things like that. Now that we're finishing up the tour of this model, we're going to bring up the music and head across the street to the park. We're going to take a look at some drone shot, as well as a few photos and a short video of some kids having fun over at the skate park. But at any rate, I appreciate you guys watching and touring with me today. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps out the channel and the video quite a bit. And if you enjoy tours like this and real estate discussion, consider subscribing to the channel as I upload new content every Friday. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified immediately when I upload new content. If you have any questions about this model or the area, please give me a call. My information is in the description below. Please stick around to watch the rest of the video. Let me know in the comments below where you want to see in the Las Vegas Valley. I'm happy to go tour some new stuff. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.